Watch this video as I share a few tips about eyelash extensions for beauty business beginners. Hey everyone, this is Elizabeth Jennings. I am the Minister of Beauty and I am a successful beauty business entrepreneur and master lash artist. Performing eyelash extensions since 2008, I've learned a thing or two from a lot of trial and error. So let me share the Eyelash Extensions 101, and it's just a few tips for newbie beginners. First of all, it should be noted this is not a tutorial on how to do or perform eyelash extensions, but this is all about the business of performing the skill of eyelash extensions. Because let's face it, if you don't know the business of it all, you can do great services but not really profit from it. Okay, so first you have to know how to handle your clients when it comes to doing this service. Eyelash extensions can be frustrating if you don't really know what you're doing and how to handle your clients during this service, and you're trying to rush the process. So to begin, always begin with an eyelashes consultation with your client. This is where you'll be able to view the client's eyes and lashes and give them the best recommendation for the service that they should choose. Doing this over the phone is not sufficient, as you can't see what's going on with their eyes and with their lashes over the phone. Okay, next is don't feel the pressure to try to mimic the look of an Instagram model or a picture that the client brings in from someone that they've seen online, whether it's a makeup guru or makeup artist or someone like that. Honestly, most of those pictures, the person in the picture, they're wearing eyelash strips, and there is just no way that you can get individual lashes to look like eyelash strips. So be honest with the clients. They love that and they will appreciate your honesty. Okay, next, when you're doing an eyelash service, always begin with clean hands. It may sound like common sense, but trust me, there are a lot of people out there that are not the most hygienic when it comes to doing this service. I've seen it and I've heard about it. Let your client see you washing your hands, or acknowledge to them that you're going to the dispensary or to the restroom to wash your hands and you'll be right back. And then when you're walk in with the paper towels and wet hands, drying your hands so they see that you've actually washed your hands. Also, continuously sanitizing your hands throughout the process is essential. You're working around your client's eyes and you don't want to risk any type of cross-contamination. Keep using clean tools for the service as well. The next thing you're going to do is, as you're performing the service, continuously let your client know what you're doing and what steps you're taking. Communication is key because their eyes are closed and they're trusting you around their eyes. It builds trust in you as the service provider. Finally, be sure all lower lashes are covered. Take your time during this process of covering their lower lashes. You don't want to have a situation when you're removing the lower lash covering and they go to open their eyes and their eyes are stuck together. So this is essential because this can cause your client to panic a little bit if this happens, especially if this is their first time receiving the service. A lower lash or two may get stuck to the upper lashes every once in a while because it's life and nothing is perfect. We're human. But if you're taking the time to really cover their lower lashes and just check as you're working throughout this service, then you'll prevent this from happening. So these are just a few tips of Eyelash Extensions 101 for beauty business beginners. I hope you really found these tips useful. I've spent tens of thousands of training dollars over the years in eyelash extensions training courses. I've learned so much, but I've also learned a lot on my own, which has prompted me to start my own eyelash extensions training because everyone learns differently. And I've also learned that there's a lot of training out there that really is just a lot of fluff. My business does offer hands-on training, and I also do have an online eyelash extensions training course that has helped many, many women, and you can check it out. I'll have a link to that course in the description box below. And you can also check out my Eyelash Extensions Essentials Guide. A link to that is in the description box as well. So let me know in the comment section If you've had a nightmare situation when it comes to applying eyelash extensions in the past, and if you're considering getting eyelash extensions training, let me know in the comment section below.